Okay, so in last class we were studying about uh, plants, and if you feel any difficulty, you can ask me. I'm going to tell you uh, excretion in plants. Okay, excretion in plants or excretion in animal. Okay, sorry, excretion in animal. Excretion in animal, or better if we say humans. Okay, so excretion in humans takes place by specific organs which are known as kidneys. So right now I'm drawing the structure of kidneys. This is external body line. Okay, this is external body line, and these are two legs, obviously starting of legs, and in these legs there is a presence of two kidneys. They are present below your ribs but behind on back side. Okay, and both of them are equal. Okay, maybe I'm not drawing exactly, but both of them are equal. Okay, and these kidneys have these passage. Okay, and these passages open into a common opening, and finally they will go out from the body. Okay, so right now I'm drawing, this is my kidney, our kidney. Okay, and pipe is emerging. These pipes are known as ureter. So this is right kidney. Okay, obviously it will be left kidney. This is right ureter. Ureter is pipe which is carrying urine from kidney. Okay, and this is known as left ureter. Okay, and this is a common opening where both of these kidneys uh, 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 take their urine. This common packet, or you can say organ which is store urine, is known as urinary bladder. Okay, and urinary bladder is opening, it has a very thin pipe which is known as urethra, and this urethra opening into, this is external opening of urine via we excrete urine. Okay, so this is excretion. Here there is excretion of urine. Okay, and it is controllable in adults, but it is not controllable in children's. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you how it works. Okay, I told you about all these structures. Now remember one thing, that if you will be asked to write about the functions and the structure. So if you are writing about the structure of this system which is known as excretory system, okay, this is excretion, or this is known as excretory system. So remember one thing, that if you are doing this, write about a specific organ. Okay, that if you are asked to write about this, so write about, first thing that I'm writing about kidneys. Okay, then write about this, underline this. Now I'm writing about ureter, left ureter and right ureter. I'm writing about urinary bladder. Okay, and finally I'm writing about urethra. Okay, urethra is a pipe which opens externally. Okay, it is a pipe which open externally to excrete urine. So you have to write this. Don't write anything in a passage or paragraph form. Just write about these major organs and describe them. Don't doing like I have started a paragraph and I have written all the things, and this paragraph is finished and everything is present in paragraph. Just do this, underline this and write this. Okay, so now we are going to learn about the functions of kidney. So first of all, before we study about the functions of kidney, let me tell you that what kidneys actually excrete. So kidney actually excrete or removes from our body that are nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste. Okay, so these nitrogenous waste, they actually contains nitrogen, excess nitrogen, which is produced in our body, and these nitrogen waste are present in two forms. Okay, that is urea or uric acid. Okay, urea or uric acid, different type of animals, that means that reptiles excrete something different, and insect excrete something different. Okay, mammals excrete something different. So urea, we generally humans, we excrete uric acid. Okay, so these are the forms of nitrogen waste product. Urea and uric acid are the waste forms of nitrogen waste. Okay, they are forms, so don't get confused. So we excrete these things. Okay, so we are starting about this. So let me draw about uh, this is our kidney. Okay, I'm writing about one kidney. Okay, every kidney works in same manner. Okay, so in this kidney, okay, blood enters. Okay, a blood pipe enters. So this is a vein, very thick vein. Okay, and it is entering. Okay, there are so many veins are entering. Okay, these are veins. Okay, so these veins are containing blood. Obviously, that is very obvious thing that these are veins and they are containing blood. Okay, so they containing the blood. Wait. Yeah, they are arteries. Sorry. Okay, so arteries is entering. Okay, and this is a thick artery. Okay, it enters into both kidneys, but as I'm writing about one kidney, it get bifurcated and it convert into small arteries. Okay, so this artery is, it is having blood, and this blood is having every type of substances, like blood is having glucose, blood is having water, blood is having some amino acids. That is amino acid, you can think they're protein. Okay, they are containing some salts like minerals. Okay, various type of mineral, sodium chloride. Okay, various type of mineral, and obviously nitrogen waste. Okay, and this is one thing which our excretory system or urinary system, it removes. Okay, so in these kidneys, okay, there are presence of some specific type of structures. These are the specific type of structures. I'm removing this. Okay, because if I don't remove this, I will not have enough space to write this everything. Okay, I'm just removing this. Okay, you just remember. Okay, what things our blood contain. Okay, our blood contain nutrients and mineral and nitrogen waste and everything our blood contain. Okay, so there is, this is in our kidney. Okay, there is a presence of this specific type of organ, specific type of pipes. This is very specific type of pipes which are present in our kidney. Okay, and these specific pipes are known as nephrons. Okay, these are known as nephrons. Okay, so this is nephron and it is present in our kidney. I'm drawing nephron here. So many nephrons. Okay, now in this nephron, as you have seen that a thick blood artery is coming and it is bifurcating in very minute arteries. Okay, so there is very thick artery, okay, and it is bifurcated into minute arteries, and it is this artery is making uh, uh, this is a hair like this hair like thin, okay, this artery is hair like thin, and it is making a cluster, or you can say it is making this type of structure, okay, like a bunch of hair, okay. Same time, this nephron is a structure, okay, this is a shaped structure. So this is a whole nephron, okay, this is a whole nephron, this whole part is known as nephron, okay. And these cup shaped structure particular, okay, it is known as Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. Why so Bowman's capsule? Because it was discovered by Bowman. Okay, and this bunch of capillary. Okay, this is a. It forms like it is hair, tangled hair. It is a structure which is known as tangled hair. Okay, it is made up of blood capillary, and it is known as glomerulus. Glomerulus. Okay, so as the blood is coming, you know that what thing contained by blood, what are the things which are contained by blood. There are so many things which are present in blood. Okay, so blood contain glucose, water, minerals, salts, proteins, that is known as amino acids, don't get confused. Okay, and obviously nitrogen waste. Okay, nitrogen waste is present in two forms, urea and uric acid. Okay, different type of organism releases different type of nitrogen waste. Okay, so this is known as nephron, and it is present in our both kidneys. Okay, this is nephron. This is how it present. Okay, and this is how it forms glomerulus, the arteries from glomerulus, and these nephron forms a cup-like structure, which is known as Bowman's capsule. Okay, now there is, you can see there are pores. Okay, these are pores. Okay, they are known as sieves, or you can write them pores. Okay, pores are in Bowman's capsule. So as this blood is coming here with pressure, okay. Okay, I'm back. So through these pores, this blood is coming in. The blood is present in this Bowman capsule. Okay, so there is blood. Okay, now as we know that that our blood contain all these compositions, our blood is having all these compositions. Obviously blood is having, as I'm writing that this is pure blood, it is having high amount of oxygen and less amount of carbon dioxide. That's why I denoted it with red color. Okay, now the waste product is only nitrogen based waste product. Okay, and only this thing should be removed. Okay, these things should be removed, and a bit amount of water, not every molecule of water, and very less amount of salts should be removed from our body by urination. Okay, other than this there is no need to remove everything. That means the glucose don't need to be removed, the water, full amount of water from blood not need to be removed, minerals not need to be removed, salts doesn't needs to be removed, proteins doesn't need to be removed. So only one thing that is needed to be removed, that is 100%, that is nitrogen waste, that is urea and uric acid. No, glomerulus is not Bowman's capsule. Okay, Glomerulus is not Bowman's capsule. Remember one thing. What is glomerulus? Glomerulus. What is glomerulus? This is the part which is known as nephron. Okay. And the blood capillary is coming. The blood capillary, it is coming and it is forming the structure of like tangled mass. Okay. Something tangled. Ulja hua, that is tangled. Okay. So this tangled mass of blood capillary is known as glomerulus. Okay. And Bowman's capsule is this, that the upper part of this is the upper part of nephron. Okay. This cup shaped structure is known as Bowman's capsule. Okay, this cup shaped structure is known as, so this is full nephron, only this cup shaped structure. Okay bache, this cup shaped structure, this only this is Bowman capsule. Okay, so the blood is coming inside these Bowman's capsule, and this blood is having all things, this blood is containing all things, but remember that only a bit amount of salts, only a bit amount of water, and 100% nitrogen waste should be removed from excretory system in the form of urine. Other than these, glucose and full water and all minerals and all salts and all protein doesn't need to be removed. So what happens, that there is everything is inside in Bowman's capsule. Why? So this happens because as the blood is coming with full pressure, okay, so whole blood gets into this Bowman's capsule, and Bowman's capsule is further connected with this nephron. This entire part is known as nephron, and the cup. I don't know what happening today. Each and every time I'm losing my internet. Whenever I want to tell you something important, I lose my internet connection. Okay, so what happens exactly, that as this blood capillary, okay, this is our blood capillary. Okay, it came near this, okay, this blood capillary came near this nephron, okay, to purify blood, okay, to remove waste. But what happened exactly, 100 full amount of blood gets into this, the blood get into this nephron part. Okay, so the capillary thinks that I don't want to remove each and every part of the blood. I just want to remove the waste product. I just want to remove some waste product. Okay, I just want to remove this part. So now everything is in this. Okay, I can't let it go like this, and I will take my parts again. So these blood capillary, which is in form of glomerulus, again think that I cannot let them take all of my blood, and I will take my blood back. I will take everything back into me, accepting I will not take these three things, but other than this I need my things back. Okay, because I don't want to remove everything. So this blood capillary from this side, okay, same, okay, this is the coming one and it is making glomerulus. This is the coming one, it is making glomerulus. And from this side, okay, this is the same thing. It will start following this nephron part. Okay, so it is start following this nephron part. Okay, and from this nephron part, okay, it is a start. I will take all of my things. Okay, and during this time it will take all of these things, it will take all of these things again. Okay, and during this time, as it is in huge contact, okay, so now it originates and it will say I will take everything back. So I will take everything back. Okay, and it will run around to this nephron. This is nephron, we know this is the nephron, and this was the Bowman's capsule. So as it runs around, okay, it will take simultaneously all of the things. What things it will take? It will take all the things back. It will take water again. Okay, it will take glucose.
Okay, it will take amino acids back, it will take salts back, it will take minerals. Okay, it will not take 100% water, but sort of water it take back. And it will not take back, it will take back. Okay, and what thing it will not take back, I don't need back, are these nitrogen waste, some salts, and a sort of water. Okay, and 100% thing it will not take back is nitrogen waste. Okay, so it is taking this thing back. Now as it is red in color, we know that it is having a rich amount of carbon dioxide. So when it come in contact with this nephron, there is exchange of gases again, so it will change its color. Okay, so it will turn, so it doesn't mean that it is blue, that means it is very impure. Okay, it take everything and it left nitrogen waste inside this. Okay, so there is nitrogen waste which is present and some water. Okay, so there is, it has taken everything back, and during it has taken everything back like glucose and everything. Okay, it just allowed, it just not taking one thing, two things or three things. Okay, so only three things it is not taking back. What things are not taking back? A sort of water, nitrogen waste, okay, and some salts. Other than this, everything is taken back. Okay, now the change in color is that this, it was red in, it was rich in oxygen, it was rich in oxygen, but as it is in come in contact with this nephron part, okay, now it has rich in carbon dioxide, because it, there is exchange of gases same time. Okay, that's why it is turned to blue. Okay, you can show, see this thing in your book. Okay, now this capillary, now this is known as artery, because we know that arteries are red in color, so this is known as artery. Okay, and this is known as vein. Okay, this is known as vein. So this is a system of excretion, so we are using the term renal. Okay, depending upon this system, so this is known as renal artery and this is known as renal vein. Okay, there is nothing nothing is getting changed, they are just changing their gases composition, that's why, otherwise this is the same thing. Okay, they are just changing their gases composition. Okay, that's why I wrote this. Okay, so from this region, at this region, okay, it has taken what it wanted to take back and left this thing. Okay, now this thing will produce urine. Okay, this thing will produce urine, so this is the left part which will produce urine. Okay, now let me tell you this with this example. Okay, this is the glomerulus. Okay, and this is, I'm just telling with you only one nephron. Okay, so this is my nephron. Okay, this is my nephron. Just losing my internet. Okay, so this is Bowman's capsule and this is glomerulus. Okay, the glomerulus take all of the blood. Okay, so these capillary runs to take everything again back. Okay, as it has taken everything back except nitrogen waste, amount of water, okay, and some salts. Okay, during this time it will get change its color. Okay, and what happens next, that it will open into this part. Okay, the removed blood part, and these capillary will go to its original way and it will get merged into another system, that is in this system. Okay, this is arteries part and this is vein part, we know this. So it will again go to heart. Okay, why it will go to heart? Because now it is CO2 rich. Okay, at this time when it entered it was oxygen rich. Okay, but one thing, it is CO2 rich, though it is CO2 rich, but it is we can say that it is free from nitrogen waste. It is free from nitrogen waste, definitely. Okay, and the waste part, okay, there are so many types of same thing will occurs in each and every kidney. There are so many nephrons and these nephrons will aggregate. Okay, so as I drawn this, so many nephrons are aggregated. There are so many nephrons after taking impure nitrogen waste, they will open into ureter. Okay, this is left ureter and this is right ureter. So they will open into ureter. There are so many type of nephrons, so many nephrons actually. Okay, there are so many nephrons. There are so many nephrons. Okay, and they will open, okay, into this common pathway which is known as ureter. Okay, and what happens before this? This will come, this will come, this will come, this will come. Okay, and it will go to its way. It will go to its way. It will go to its way and this will open, this will open. Okay, this will open into ureter. That is our ureter. Okay, that is our ureter, and both ureters are aggregating into urinary bladder, and these urinary bladder contains urine. Okay, which you can store for hours. Okay, and when you want to release them via urethra. Oh no, why I'm losing my connection? Okay, so this is the process. Okay, so this part, okay, and don't forget that the part which is taking nitrogen waste blood, but this is the nitrogen waste blood. Okay, but this is rich in oxygen, but it is also containing nitrogen waste. Okay, this is artery and this is known as renal artery because it is a part of this system. That's why urinary system, that's why we have named this renal artery. And the part which is going back, okay, it will go back to its heart. Okay, it will go back to heart. So this is renal vein because it is having high amount of CO2, but we can say that it is pure because it is having no nitrogen waste. No nitrogen waste. Okay, so this is how we can explain this. Okay, it will go back. So this is how we can explain this. Okay, and uh, blood pure, the nitrogen waste and oxygen rich blood vessel is coming, forming glomerulus. Okay, it is running around this because it wants everything back. Okay, it left something, it left nitrogen waste and convert into carbon dioxide rich part, rich vein, and it will go back to this, and this whole system will, this will convert into a large vena cava, and this large vena cava will open into heart again. Okay, so this system is, this red part is this oxygen rich part is bringing nitrogen waste rich blood and oxygen rich blood, and this is taking blood which is having CO2 rich part and nitrogen without, free from nitrogen waste. Okay, now tell me if you are done with this or if you get understand this, or I will tell you something else, or if you have any confusion, or if you are done with this. Okay, these are the waste products that should be removed: nitrogen waste, water and salts. It will go back and it will open into urethra. Okay, so this particular, this loop part, you can see the loop. Okay, you can see the loop. Okay, you can see the loop. This loop part, okay, this loop part was discovered by Henle. That's why it is also known as loop of Henle. Okay, the capillary which is bringing blood is known as renal artery. Artery is also always having pure blood except heart, and it is again running. Okay, just because all of the blood will come inside, taking all of the things, but it needs its blood back because I need my everything back. So it will take everything, leaving only nitro. It will take everything, running around this and taking everything. I need to take everything. Okay, and it will, this capsule will remain with three things. Okay, otherwise it have taken all things. It takes everything, it takes water again, it takes glucose again, it takes amino acid again, it takes nutrients again, it takes salts again, and all every, but the thing which will remain here is nitrogen waste, a sort of water, and some amounts of salt remain, and these things will open into ureter. Okay, and these three things constitute urine. Nitrogen waste should be removed. It is the major thing which should be removed. Okay, so this will, okay, the thing which is coming will come. Okay, it is coming. Okay, and it is taking its thing which it has given, it will go back, and this will open into this. Okay, there are so many type of, so many type, not so, there are so much number of nephrons which are present. Okay, tell me if you are done with this. Tell me if you are done with this, or should I move on? This is known as artificial kidneys. Okay, these are known as artificial kidneys. The people, those who have very weak, less functional kidneys. Okay, so you can see this is how blood is taken. Okay, this is how you can see the blood is taken out from this. Okay, so this machine is actually works as kidney. Okay, this machine actually works as kidney. So there is impure blood which is having nitrogen waste. Okay, and these blood will uh, passed through this. Okay, and these are known as artificial kidney. Okay, so these artificial kidney will purify blood, and these will take all the nitrogen waste. Okay, and again the blood will put into this human. So the function of kidneys is taken by, or is conducted by this machine which is known as dialysis machine. Okay, artificial kidney, or it is known as dialysis machine. Okay, so dialysis machine is known as artificial kidney. Okay, and this process is known as hemodialysis.